Wow.
I'm Nevin.
And I'm Phaedra.
And thanks for stopping by our channel, Me and Mini-Me, Home Decor and DIY. So, today we...
Look at the camera.
So today we are in a small little city outside of Spokane, Washington.
Yes, we are outside of Spokane, Washington. We are here visiting my mom.
And my Nana.
Yes. So while we are here, we are doing a makeover to the guest room, which is our room when we visit.
So we're just gonna freshen up, brighten it up a little bit. And we are also going to be, decorating it. We're not going to be painting the walls. We are not going to be changing the floors. That's too drama. So, yes.
We're going to just be using some bright colors. The room already has comforter set for
which
both
is
twin beds.
Which is like ocean blue, turquoise, and regular blue.
Well, no, it's like a seafoamy green. Those of you from the 80s know exactly what I'm talking about.
And there's also a little bit of gray, which is super nice. It goes perfect with it.
It's nice.
And it's more a little.
And it's very sea-coasty and very kind of, I don't want to say Cape Cod, but definitely sea-coasty, so if that makes sense. So I do want to work with the colors. I don't usually work with bright colors, but this is my step into that, and we're going to be brightening up this room. And like Nevin said, we're not going to be painting or changing the floors out. We're just going to add a lot of color, a lot of accessories, a lot of brightness, and it's going to be wonderful. So I hope you all enjoy it.
And make sure to like the video, and make sure to subscribe the video, and make sure to comment down below if you like this video.
Yes, we're excited. We worked on this project, probably about 3 days, so hopefully just off and on, because she's in school still while we're here and I'm still working.
Yes.
So I hope you all enjoy.
Please, bye. Please, bye.
Nevin. Nevin. Nevin.
Seriously?
You ready to go?
Yeah. I want to go down the flight.
You what?
I want to get on the flight already.
Oh, okay. In a few minutes.
Yet?
We have probably about 20 minutes.
That's too long for me. I can't wait that long, and you know how my trouble is with patience. Well, you guys don't know.
Nevin, we're in Spokane, and we are in Bonefish Restaurant. But can you scan, bro?
Sure.
It's empty. This is fabulous. Nevin gets the menus for the kids' menus,
Even though
but she doesn't eat off the kids' menu.
No.
She eats off of
No.
adult menu.
I
And today you're
got
getting what?
Fish and chips.
fish
if
and
you
chips.
can see it.
Which one are you getting, Mom?
It's focusing. There's Nevin's fish and chips.
Yep.
It's a little bit spicy.
And there's Auntie's bang shrimp with salad. Uncle is fasting. No, he's not. He's waiting for his food. And then Nana has the bang chicken with, clam chowder?
No,
Crab chowder.
Crab chowder.
And then I have the crab cake and fries. Let's do this.
I only eat one meal a day.
And here we are.
We're all done.
Nope, we weren't hungry at all.
No.
Wow, Uncle.
Look at mine.
Oh, Nana. This is mine. I left all the bread.
Just look at mine.
That crab cake was so good. And Auntie's poor little slaw left there.
It's spicy.
What about mine?
And then Nevin has a whole basket of fries, a plate of fries.
I couldn't do it. I had two big fish. I had two big fish, and one was like this big.
Oh, that's big.
Well, actually, more like this. Like it was so big, I couldn't eat it. And I'm like, oh, I'm done. I can't.
They have some great looking stuff, but it is so pricey. I love Marshalls, but I just can't deal with the prices sometimes. This is clearance. That's $5.50. I kind of like this. This is cute. This is cute. Okay, now we're getting into my price range. I love these tulips. $12. It's a bit pricey for what I'm looking to do. $16.99. Cute lamps, Mama. Some cute lamps. Oh, look at this one. So which one did you like, Nevin?
This one. This plant sit here.
This one? This is $5.50. It's still a little bit pricey, but that's pretty good. I love these white tulips, but I don't, the blue, I'm not a fan of the blue container there. And then we got this topiary here. Okay. Aha. Love. This is $79. Why is it everything so pricey?
I like that chair.
This white one? These are on wheels though. We don't want that.
It's really, it's spinny. Of course it's spinny. I love spinny stuff, guys. Comment down below if you like spinny stuff. Because I know that I do.
That gray basket. So we're looking for a chair for the room. This gray one is nice, but I'm not sure how I feel about the gray. I'd rather have a white one. Mm-hmm.
Mommy, look.
Yeah. And I love this basket. What is that, a magnet set?
Are you shopping now?
It's sushi.
I'm looking.
Sushi.
That is $49.99. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. Way too much. You tired? Nana keeps looking at this.
Reminds me of the 50s, the little stereo we had when I was a kid.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I love these little people.
All right, so this is the stuff we're going to be using in the makeover. Here is the dresser I found at the thrift store, cleaned it up, took the sticker stars off of it, and it is a great little, not a dresser, but like a little drawer, 3-set drawer, what do you call it, cabinet? I don't know. Here are the 4 panels, white panels of the curtains. Beautiful, 20 bucks. Here we are. Here is a frame that we're going to be using. A couple of flowers. We got all of this at Marshall's here. This stuff here. Candle, Nevin chose. This basket I got at the thrift store, along with this dresser drawers. This lamp I got at the thrift store. Yes, I did. Half price, it was $6. Cute. And this I got at JCPenney's. It was $110 and 60% off. Can you believe that? So this was great. So this is what I'm going to use as my inspiration piece. I love that. So here we are. I'm going to be working with color. Not sure how this is going to work out, but yeah. And this is my my mom's house in the living room. All of her furniture is not here yet. She has the basics going. So a nice little foundation. So she's doing her thing with the decorating. I'm not touching that, but definitely Nevin and I's room, our guest bedroom when we're here. That's what we're going to be tackling today. All right, here we go. All right, so here is the white dresser, 3-drawer dresser that I got from the thrift store. Something Thrift in Spokane. I'll list it in the description box, but it looks good. You can still see the little paint dots that someone tried to put on there, but it doesn't look bad because it actually matches on the handles, on the knobs. But I cleaned it up, sprayed it with some Lysol, and it looks great. Okay, so here is the lamp that I got at the thrift store as well. Sorry, the camera was a little off. It's one of those glam lights. I'm not a glam girl, but I do like this light. It's, let me close these blinds a little. There we go. It has the crystal base. So it looks nice. This was about $12 and it was half price. So that looks good. Okay, so we have a couple of accessories. This cool Soothing Sea candle. Nevin chose this at Marshall's. The green goes great with the comforter there and the pillow accents. And then this topiary, which I absolutely love. I have to cut the tag off of there. But that looks really good.